All right, I'm not sure if someone hears me. I'm not sure if my audio works. I hope it does. Just gonna be responding to a few comments here. Using Raindrop with Raycast in Zen browser. I have to press Command dot bookmark, okay? Bookmark in Zen browser. Control X. As I don't bookmarks. Any key maps. All right. I don't have any other comments here. I have a lot of YouTube comments that I have not replied to in a long time. I don't think I'm going to be replying to those right now. Okay. I'm not sure if audio works, so I hope it does. Let's see. Hold on. Just want to make sure that I'm in the right chat, because it has happened to me in the past that I'm sending messages in the wrong chat. Where can I see that? How can I see if I'm in the right chat? Yep, I'm in the right chat. See, test. All right. All right, so I started creating the blog post, the stream a moment ago. Just want to play Skyrim for a little while, and then I'll continue with this. I'm not gonna play for too long. Well, maybe yes. 1 hour, a little bit less than an hour. All right, so once the timer kicks in, I'm going to continue working on the blog post. Hey, Jewel, appreciate that. Thanks for confirming that the audio works. Let me put on my headphones. Hold on. All right, let's see if that works. Just gonna switch to my headphones. Here we go. The game, I don't hear it in my headphones. Why? Okay, I have to quit. You're gonna make me quit? I think you will. Open it again. While the game loads, I just want to thank the supporters real quick. I always forget to do that. Let me bring this over here while we wait. We have a few supporters right now. We have two memberships in YouTube. Are the two different members on the YouTube Discord membership, Ko-fi, Super Chats, and the Ko-fi donations. I have them listed here. So I just wanted to say thanks everyone. So again, remember, I'm going to be playing Skyrim for around this time. Here's the timer. Once that's done, I'll continue working on the blog post that I started. That I didn't have to finish earlier today in the morning. Continue from the last saved game, okay. Okay, where was I? Why is it walking so slow? How did I run? No. How did I toggle running? I don't remember. Let's see, system controls. Backspace is the sneak, okay. Run is with shift. I'll go always run, okay. It's with delete. Why is it not running? What the? Am I carrying too much? Is that why? Oh yeah, carry weight 310, okay. Let's drop some stuff. I need that one. I need that one too. I need that one as well. Axe. Need to equip this. Do I have two shields? No, I just have one. What am I carrying that is heavy? The boots? I need to destroy a few things. Ingredients? No, nothing heavy there. Gonna drop some weapons then. Gonna drop this. I don't need it. The pickaxe, I do need it. I need to disenchant this one, so I just don't want to throw it away. Let's go. There we go. All right. What is that, a goat? I'm gonna kill you, man. Another goat. Can I grab you? Come here. Where are we going? I'm going that way. So what the fuck? Do I have to go around all this? Alright, let's do it. I'm pretty sure I'm not going the right way. I'm pretty sure. I have to go and talk to the graybeards, but I'm pretty sure I fucked up and I don't know where I'm going. Look at this. What the actual... This is where I want to go. How the... Do I really have to go all the way here? Okay, let's do it. I don't care. No, man. Why the fuck did I throw my arrow? Let's have 21 arrows. I need a fucking horse. Alright, so can I go this way then? I think I can. This must be the way. Oh, well. Come here, you piece of shit. Oh, I can hear you, motherfuckers. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Motherfuckers are not gonna kill me. Where's the other one? There it is. I can level up, okay. I need to get rid of some stuff. All of this is too heavy. Let's level up. They're killing me too easy. But I cannot run for too long. What do I prefer? I prefer this for now. Apprentice, reach level 5. Alright. I need arching skills. Oh, requires 40. And I'm level 30 then. What works? Sneaking works for me. Yep. That's good for now. Oh shit. Give me my arrow back, please, man. Need it. Alright, let's go. You know what? I think I should save. Just in case something happens. You never learn. Yep. Is there a shortcut to save? Let me check that real quick. Controls? Is there one to save? Quick save. That's what I'm talking about. F5. Alright, let's see. F5. 5? 5? What the fuck? It doesn't... It's not working. Let's try it again. Let's try it later. As I just saved. Hell the fuck no, I'm not going there. Okay, going this way. Let's see, F5. F5 is not working. Let me just make sure. Settings, no, controls. Why is F5 not working? Let's see. Carabiner events viewer. F5. Oh, that's why. All right. Dictation. How the fuck do I send F5 then? Oh, you know what? You know what? I'm going to do something then. I'm going to this thing. What happened to it? Did I close it? No. 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 I hope I don't have two of them open at the same time. Because this shit's not gonna handle it. Please. Don't take me back. Please, man. Alright, great. Alright, so this is what I'll do then. I will go to controls. We're gonna save with this key. Oh, it doesn't recognize it. Oh, can I use a number? It can, I think. Okay, let's save with 5. This button is reserved. Mother. And what about this? Reserved. What about G? What about G? Let's see. Is G used for something? G is not used for something here. No. Nope. Okay, so let's save with G. There we go. That's better. Nice. Oh, it's just a fox. Why are you walking with me, little boy? I'm not gonna kill you because you have been nice. I don't know why, but I feel that a bear gonna pop up. Motherfucking bear. Alright, so what's the right way? Let's see the map. I'm going in here to the right. This way. Hey, Nekna. How's it going? Let me see if I'm going the right way. Yep, I'm going the right way. I'm not gonna take that shortcut because bad things happen when I take shortcuts. I always find bears and shit like that. Oh shit. This motherfucking blind or something? What the fuck are they doing? And I'm fucking shooting you. Get your ass over here. Where's the other one? Oh. Fuck, you wanna die there sitting, man? What the fuck are these guys doing? That was a massacre, man. Potato. Oh, I cannot carry much stuff anymore. Gold lockpick. What were you guys doing there? Oh, I have some coins in here. Gold, 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 coin purse, satchel. Alright, let's get going. Where am I going? I'm going that way. Oh, there's someone there. That fucker hasn't seen me. The fuck are you shooting? Are you a guard? Man, did I just kill guards? What the fuck? Wasn't I supposed to kill the other guys then? That's fucked up. Or is the game bugged or something? They didn't look like guards. Guard. Man.
Need something?
Damn.
Yes.
Shouldn't have killed the other guys then. Sorry about that. But it is what it is, man. Gold, stamina. Alright. Didn't you see your dead friends over there? He's not guarding shit, man. Alright, so where am I going then? I'm going that way. Right? Let's see. Yep, I'm going that way. Alright. How do I get there from here? Do I jump here? Do I swim? Save? What is that? Mushrooms? Nordic something. Oh, I don't know why, but I feel like a bear is gonna come out of here. I'll be able to survive a bear. Wolves. Wolves, where are they? I hear them. All right, seems that we made it.
On your way up the 7,000 steps again, Clement?
Not today. I'm just not ready to make the climb to High Hrothgar. The path isn't safe.
Aren't the Greybeards expecting some supplies?
Honestly, I'm not certain. I've yet to be allowed into the monastery. Perhaps one day. I wish I could make my deliveries more often, but the roads
Hope you
get
can do something.
dangerous.
What do you want, man?
Passing through on your way to High Hrothgar? About mostly food supplies like dried fish and salted meats. You know, things that keep fresh for a long time. The Greybeards tend not to get out much, if you catch my meaning.
And in return, what?
Well, it's kind of an understanding between us. I mean, it just wouldn't feel right to charge them for a bit of preserved food. Trouble is, my legs aren't what they used to be, and climbing the 7,000 steps takes its toll. Really? Well, that would be kind of you. Here, take this bag of supplies. At the top of the steps, you'll see the offering chest. Just leave the bag inside, and you're done. Be careful up there.
I remember there's a troll here. I remember about the motherfucking troll. Didn't see you. Kill the goat, man? Come on. Need to drop some stuff. Oh, let's see what we can drop. This weighs 13. Damage 13. Gonna drop this. Let's do it. Let's go. It's just a goat. Alright. Not gonna do anything to you, my friend. What are you? What are you? What are you doing there? Okay. Get the fuck out of here. Gotta read all of them, man. I hear the wolves. There you go. Shut the fuck up. Another one? Where? Oh, there you go. I should be picking up, are these called berries? What are you doing there, little goat? Are there any other wolves in here? No.
Keep an eye out for wolves. If you're headed up the path to High Rothgar.
What did you say? Oh, the troll. The troll is around the corner. I remember. Just saved. Did I just run? Or should I fight against that motherfucker? Can I go up here and kill it from there? Huh. I never thought of that. I never thought of that before. I've suffered with this motherfucker in the past. Let's jump, 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 jump. Oh yeah. Where are you? Get your ass over here. Where is the troll? I remember that it was around here. Let's go down and see. Now I know that I can go up there. Maybe not here. No. All right. Let's move on then. Oh, there the fucker is. Did it see me already? Yeah, it saw me. It already saw me. Oh, fuck, there it comes. Here it fucking comes. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Get your ass over here. Piece of shit. The fuck? Huh? Where are you, man? Where did you go? No, I'm not gonna be able to kill it. Fuck it, let's go. It recovered its health, so hell the fuck no. Look at this beauty. Oh, I should have brought Lydia. I forgot. That's why. That's why I need Lydia to carry stuff around. I forgot about that. But bitch is always in the way, so that's why I don't like to be carrying her around. Alright, I need this. Need some flowers. Yep, why not? Open this is empty. Here's the entrance.
So, a Dragonborn appears at this moment in the turning of the age. We will see if you truly have the gift. Show us, Dragonborn.
Speak up, man. I don't hear you. My unrelenting force shout.
Shout at us, Dragonborn. It is you. Welcome to High Hrothgar. I am Master Angir. I speak for the Greybeards. Now, tell me, Dragonborn, why have you come here?
Why? Honestly,
We
this.
are here to guide you in that pursuit, just as the Greybeards have sought to guide those of the dragon blood that came before you.
You mean I'm not the only dragonborn?
You are not the first. There have been many of the dragon blood since Akatosh first bestowed that gift upon mortal kind. Whether you are the only dragonborn of this age, that is not ours to know. You are the only one that has been revealed thus far. That is all I can say.
I'm ready to learn.
We are honored to welcome...
No, that was not the one that I chose.
We
Hi,
will do our
streaming from
best to
PC to
teach you
Mac
how to
somehow.
use your gift.
Hey Janko, no, I'm running the game directly in macOS.
That is
I'm
for you
using
to discover.
I don't know
We
what
can
the
show you the way,
tool is called.
not your destination.
What is it called?
We are here to guide you in that
No man,
pursuit,
that's not what I tried
just
to
as the Greybeards
select.
have sought to guide those of the dragon blood that came
Let me
before.
show you right now. Hold on, that's not...
Without training, you have already taken the first steps towards
Speak
projecting
up,
your
old man.
voice into a thum, a shout. Now let us see if you are willing and able to learn. When you shout, you speak in the language of dragons. Thus, your dragon blood gives you an inborn ability to learn words of power. All shouts are made up of 3 words of power. As you master each word, your shout will become progressively
Man, I cannot
stronger.
hear this guy.
Master
Fuck,
Einarth will
what?
now teach you roll, the second word.
Pick the fuck up.
Roll means balance in the dragon tongue. Roll.
Alright, so how do I play? There is an application in macOS. What is it called? Let me open my applications. Applications. Let's sort them by date modified, maybe? Nope. My name. I'll recognize the icon. Hold on. What is it called? What is it called? Oh, porting kit. That's the one. Porting kit. So notice that it's running the game through Wine. You can see here Wine 64 preloader. So it's basically emulating. No, emulating, is that the right word? Yeah, but it's, you can run it directly on macOS. What do I have to do here? Okay. What is this guy saying?
But learning a word of power is only the first step. You must unlock it
Motherfucker, speak up.
practice in order to use it in a shout. Well, that is how the rest of us learn shouts.
No homo, I
As
promise, but I
Dragonborn,
cannot hear.
You can absorb. As part of your initiation, Master Einarth will allow you to tap into his... Now, let us see how quickly you can master your new
Demonstrate your unrelenting
Use your
force.
unrelenting force shout to strike the targets as they appear.
Alright. The longer you hold it, the more words will be spoken.
Use
Use both what?
Use both fus and ro.
Okay.
Together they will make the shout more. Fus, ro.
Now what? Now what, old
Well,
man?
Again.
Again?
You learn quickly. Once more.
Once more, alright. Bitch, I configure Neovim. It's a piece of cake.
Impressive. Your thumb is precise.
Hey man, don't feel bad about it. Just send messages in the chat, you know. I'm just playing here for a little while and I'm gonna continue with my blog post. But notice here that I left this in the in Skitty notes. If I'm muted or if I'm playing, it doesn't matter what I'm doing. Just send questions in the chat, you know, and I will answer or assist. So don't worry about it at all. That's what I'm streaming actually, you know, so that people that have questions can get some sort of support, or if you just want to chat or hang out. Now what? Hurry up, man. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
You will now see how you learn a completely new shout.
Who's talking?
Master Bori will teach you wood, which means whirlwind. You must hear the word within yourself before you can project it into a thumb. Approach Master Bori and he will gift you his knowledge of wood.
It's like IQ test where you find different things. Demonstrate your whirlwind sprint shout.
Master Wolfgar will demonstrate whirlwind sprint. Then it will be your turn.
Are you talking, man? Who's talking?
Master Bori. X.
Alright, I remember. I remember about this. I need to equip it first. Hold on. Magic? Shout. No. Hold on. Favorite. Equip it.
And next
There
to
we
me, Master Bori will open the gate. Use your whirlwind sprint to pass through before it closes.
Alright, let's try it. Open it. Speak to Angir for further training.
Your quick mastery of a new thum is astonishing. I'd heard the stories of the abilities of Dragonborn, but to see it for myself.
I thought it was this easy for everyone. Just happens. Thank you. What's next?
You are now ready for your last trial. Retrieve the horn of Jürgen Windcaller, our founder, from his tomb in the ancient fane of Ostengraf. Remain true to the way of the voice, and you will return.
I don't want to know anything else, man. I am done here. The way of the voice. Now my question is, that sprint, is it to run away or is it to hit someone? What's its use case, right? Well, actually, now that I discovered this location. Okay, let's go out of here. Did I explore here inside? I don't want to. Let's just go. Let's just go. Oh, I needed to do something if I remember correctly. That guy asked me to do something. Hold on. I needed to bring the supplies to High Hrothgar. I needed to do this. So, where? Where do I leave the supplies? And why are you walking that slow, man? Where do I need to put those supplies? Here? Hold on. Map. Where do I leave those supplies again? Man, that motherfucker should have been... more precise with this his instructions. Miscellaneous. Yeah, this is what I want to do right now, man. Hold on. This, I want to see this in the map. Oh, yeah, here. Alright. Here. And which ones are the supplies then? Food? Which supplies? Ingredients? Miscellaneous, maybe? Oh, this. Is this the one? Okay. Return to Klimek. Should I go to that guy? Let's see. Miscellaneous. Return to Klimek. Let me go to that guy. I'm not gonna walk down there. Hell no. How do I zoom out? No. I don't want this little screen there. I want to... Please. Alright. Alright, can I fast travel now? Shit. Alright, let's go. Can I fast travel here? Not. Do I have to walk? Oh, that's it. All right. So, Hrothgar. All right. I need to go here. No, not there. Remove it. I need to go here. Fast travel. Yep. Oh no. These motherfuckers are gonna try to kill me. I fucking know.
Summoned the Dragonborn to High Hrothgar. Such a thing has not happened for hundreds of years.
These motherfuckers are gonna try to kill me. I fucking know it.
You there. You're the one they call Dragonborn.
I don't want trouble, man.
Your lies fall on deaf ears, deceiver. We know you are the false Dragonborn. You shall not stand in the way of the true Dragonborn's return. He comes soon, and we shall offer him your heart. When Lord Mirak appears, all shall bear witness. None shall stand to oppose him.
Ah, fuck this. The guards are gonna help me. That's a good thing. Yeah, you take care of him. You take care of him, guards. Yep. That was fucking amazing. Thank you, man.
What could it mean?
Good evening. I need this. I don't need your mask. The gloves are useful.
Dragonborn? And who among us could possibly hold that honor with such power?
Thanks, man. Where's the other fucker that was around here? There he is. Gonna take these as well. And that's it. Now I'm gonna find that other guy. Where are you, man? Oh, there you are.
Ah, good to see you again. How'd that delivery go? Quite a climb, wasn't it? Anyway, much appreciated. Here, take this for your troubles.
500 gold? That's a lot, man. Thanks.
Thanks again for the legwork.
Thanks to you, man. Alright, so that's enough with Skyrim for the day. I'm just going to harvest these mushrooms. Just gonna save. Quick saving. Alright. Let me stop the timer here, because it's going to no. System. Wait. Desktop. Yep. All right. I'm going to continue with the blog post. Then the video that I was watching was this one. I'm gonna close this video. I had already started with this blog post. This key on my keyboard, the right arrow, it's automatically going to switch to that app. I use a carabiner mapping to be able to do that. So what is this? Notice that this is just the Kitty terminal app, and I'm running Neovim inside of it. It's a modified version of my Neovim configuration in which I disable some plugins and stuff like that. So this is where I keep my to-do notes, right? So let's say that, for example, here I want to fold the headings. I have a key map for that, folds them already, and I have to do items here. So if, for example, I open this heading here, you're going to see some items that I have to complete. So when the item is done, I don't want it to be kept in there because it just occupies space. So I just want it to be moved somewhere else. That's the exact reason why I'm moving the notes or the tasks to another section when they are done, right? So here, I just explained to you what this app is for. I just mark this as done, and it moves it to the bottom. Since this is Markdown, all of my key maps apply. Notice that I even have a Reddit link here in this task. So if I type here GX, that's going to open my browser and take me to that specific site. So I'm just going to mark this as done as well. Remember that for that is Alt-X. I'm going to show you how I configure all of these key maps in a little while. Notice that the text is formatted here. I have some inline code. I have some bold text. Notice that this task spans across multiple lines. So it doesn't matter where I'm at on this task. I'm just going to type Alt-X and it's just going to mark it. Move it to the completed section. Just going to fold my headings and let's go back here. We have another task. Just so that you're aware that in this app, all of my Neovim Markdown key maps work. Just going to mark this as done. Okay, let's open the Gitty repo. I'm going to open the Gitty notes file. Should I do a different file? Yeah, let's do a different file. I'm going to go here in this Markdown file. Some completed tasks here at the bottom. Testing tasks in Obsidian. There we go. Nice. Just gonna take a screenshot of this. And I'm going to add this screenshot here that allow me to manage tasks. This is the way that they look in Obsidian. This is the end result in Neovim. Notice that when I mark a task as done, it moves it to the completed tasks section. Is this a thumbnail? No. I'm going to add the name here. Neovim tasks. How I manage tasks in Neovim. It moves it to the completed tasks section. Also notice that the date and time are added to the stats, and you can what else? Oh yep. Also notice that I add the done. I add the done colon tag at the beginning. I use this key, I use this tag and searching for completed or uncompleted tasks. Completed or incomplete. Yeah, I guess that's accurate. Let's look at the blog post. Here's the file that we're working on right now. Oh, Discord, I need to modify that because I changed this already. Discord server. I need to change this entire section here. Yep. Let's just refresh. There we go. Prerequisites. Okay, I need to modify this as well. I'm gonna put this at the bottom. Okay. How I manage tasks. This is the way that I used to do it in Obsidian. This is the end result in Neovim. Completed section. All right. Here's a link to my dotfiles. Notice that it even shows me the icon for GitHub there. I can mark this as done too. I can even view images, just the way that you see this image here. All right, I'm just going to add that there. In the video, I demo how I complete tasks by pressing Alt X and how they are automatically moved to the completed. In the video, I also demonstrate how I use the map you see on the inside, where I keep my daily tasks. It's called Kitty Notes. Kitty Notes. Kitty Notes. I need this text here. Kitty Notes, there we go. If you want to learn more about this Kitty Notes app, I have a video. I released this video yesterday. So if you're a Neovim user and would like to implement what you see on the right hand side, go and check this video out. I explain step by step how to set everything up. Untoggle tasks. Okay, so coming back to this file, notice that the completed tasks show at the bottom of the file in this other section. What if this task is not done anymore? Notice the time in which it was completed, 6/14, today's date. If I press the same key map here again, Alt X, notice that it adds a different label. It says untoggle. And if I how I manage tasks in Neovim. How I mark tasks. Untoggle. Untoggle. Just added that word to my dictionary. Sometimes you need to untoggle a finish task. I mean, mark it as not done. So if you go to the completed tasks section and you press Alt X in one of the tasks, going to replace label. Notice in the image below that the first two tasks in that section show as untoggled. Untoggled task. With Alt X. Untoggled. This is actually a correct word, so I'm just adding it to the dictionary. Toggling, I also added it to the dictionary. What's happening? Is something wrong with my internet or something? Is the stream not working? Let's see. Dropped frames, none. If you have issues with the video, just let me know, because I'm not sure if it works or not. Yeah, it's working. Yep, it's working. All right, I thought it was not. The first two tasks in that section are shown as untoggled. Notice the date was automatically removed. You can begin and the new date and time will be added. Okay. And if I type on this other one, Alt X, notice that it's also going to be untoggled. What happens if I want to mark this other task as done? Just gonna type here Alt X, it marked it as done, it didn't move it anywhere else, and it just updated the time, which is what I want. I mean, that's fine, but what if you have tasks across multiple files? Like the file that I'm working on here, you can see it at the very top of the screen. For every file in the video, you can see its path here. This is the test-markdown.md file. It's in my Obsidian repo, or my Obsidian folder, we could say. So what if I want to see all of the not done tasks in this Obsidian repo? I have two other key maps. The one that I showed you right now was Alt X, and this is the one that I use to mark tasks as done, right? So that's how I toggle and untoggle them. So if I press Alt X here, it's gonna mark this as completed. But notice that I also have this leader TT key map and leader TC. List pending tasks. All right, that's the next step. Not only in a single file, but in the in which you opened Neovim. So I created the key map. Leader TT. Leader TT. So if I go to here, I press, it's gonna mark this as done, this as done too, leader TT. These are a great example. Yep, this is a great example. So I'm just gonna take a screenshot of this. Notice my blog post. Is this a thumbnail image? Nope. task completed. Later TT shows me the uncompleted tasks. Let me first bring up this leader TT. Leader is just space for me. Notice that it shows me all of the tasks that are not completed across multiple files. You can see the name of the file here on the left. This is the test markdown.md file. This is for the Sunday daily note file, Friday daily note file. So if I scroll down here on these different tasks, I can see them on the right hand side. Notice that I can see each one of them. I can read them. I can go through different tasks. Let's mark a few as done. And I'm going to show you where those completed tasks show up. So I'm just going to hit enter here to go to this file. And it's here inside. Alt X, mark this as done. Alt X, mark this as done. Just have an empty header here. Just going to delete it. I don't want to have it there anymore because it's empty. If I type leader TT again, notice that those two tasks are gone. What if we press the other key map that I showed in this file, the bottom of this file? Notice that I also have leader TC, and that is to show the completed tasks. Leader TC, you're going to notice the ones that I just marked right now. This is one of. Okay. Now, list completed tasks. For this, I created another key map. Leader TC. If I press leader TC, here are the completed tasks, and I'm going to take a screenshot of this. Seen on the image below. Alt 1. Is this a thumbnail? It is not. Task completed. Tasks completed. List of completed tasks in I need to move this here. This is one of them, and this is the other one. Notice the file that these are in, test markdown. I have some other tasks that were marked as done here. In this other file, Friday, I have 3 tasks that were also marked as done. I'm just going to show you how to configure these key maps in a little while. You're also going to notice that I have another key map. If I type hyper-tr, that automatically takes me to my daily note. It doesn't matter what app I'm on. I could be on the browser, for example. And if I quickly want to jump to my daily note, I just type hyper-tr, and it's automatically going to take me there. If you want to learn how I do this, I have a video. It's this one. I explain how I set up things in detail. Notice that I'm in a different file here. You can see it at the top. This is today's daily note. So I just want to show you that you don't need to keep the tasks in a single file. Notice that this is inside my Obsidian directory. So it's just going to search for all the tasks in this directory. So if I'm taking notes here, for example, and I just remember that I need to add a task, I just add it here, random task in daily note. So if I switch back to my other file, this file that I was on before, and I bring up the tasks, you're going to notice here that it shows up. Here it is, random task in daily note, right? So I can open this, I go back to this file, I can mark this task as done, Alt X, can also mark this other one as done, and then I can also mark this other one as done. So I don't need to move or have all the tasks in the same file. If I bring up leader TC right now, they are going to show up as completed tasks. So notice that they show up in this Sunday file because that's where they were at, right? So the rest of them are just here. The first time that I created this key map to mark tasks as done, I moved them to another file in a different directory. So I had another directory that was called done in the same directory where the file lives, but it was just too much. I just decided to keep the tasks that are completed in the same file at the bottom of it. So I can mark this. What happened to my blog post? All right, it's restarting. Okay, let's continue.
This done. I switched from Obsidian to Neovim probably, I don't know, a few months ago. I don't remember exactly how long ago, and I never looked back. I have a video in which I explain why I switched from Neovim to Obsidian.
Okay, I'm going to leave that here. From Obsidian to Neovim, just going to add it here. Why I switched from Obsidian to Neovim. See if it's the right one. BOU. Yep, that's the one.
Obsidian. This video was released 4 months ago. So if you want to learn more, if you want to understand a little bit more, go and check it out. You're going to find more details there.
Team up to create a task. With no, how do I create tasks? Alt L.
Now I just want to show you this other key map, Alt L. Let's say that I'm working here in a file that doesn't have any tasks. Let's say that I'm taking a note here, and I quickly want to turn this into a task. If I type Alt L, notice that it turned it into a task, and I can take a note here. I can add a task here. Let's say that I'm writing a different section. I'm just going to leave some space here, some lines, and I'm just getting ready to type something here. But I remember that it's a task. If I type here Alt L, it's going to create a task again. So this is going to be task 2. And I hit enter here. Notice that even if I have a bullet point on the left hand side, if I type Alt L, it's just going to not add the whole thing, but just add the symbols so that it becomes a task. So this is task 3. So that's what the Alt L key map does. I'm just going to mark these tasks as done. Just want to get rid of them. And I'm going to delete this here. I'm going to show you all these key maps in a little while. When we go over the configuration, I'm going to let you know where these are. Just going to mark this as done now as well. We already went through leader TT, so you can see all of the tasks that are not completed. Leader TC to show you.
So if we'll add of the line, which is also I also use this plugin. Where is it? Bullets.bim. Yeah, this one. Copy the URL to clipboard. I also use the is used to create a task on the line below. If I hit enter,
to show you the tasks that are completed. And now I just want to show you how I configure these key maps. If you want to learn about all my Markdown key maps, all the Markdown tips that I have, well, that I had 6 months ago, this video is still quite relevant. It's 48 minutes long, but I explain basically each one of the Markdown key maps that I use and all the plugins. So if you want to learn more about Markdown editing in Neovim, go and check it out. I highly recommend it.
Yep. Yeah, I need this. Yep.
So now let me show you how this is configured. So let me jump to my .files latest directory. I have a key map for that, hypertj. And you're going to notice here that this is my keymaps.lua file. This is the first key map that you need to grab. It starts from here, and it ends where you find a space. So if I type here shift, close square bracket, it's going to select the entire key map. So this is what you need to grab if you want the first key map. I left some variables here at the very top of the file, because I do understand that not everyone wants to have this label as done when you mark a task as done. Like for example, if I switch here to the right, I'm just going to fold all these, and I'm just going to go to the completed tasks. This label here, done, colon, you can modify that here if you want. If you want to customize the timestamp format, this is the way.
All right, now let's configure the key maps. Configure the key maps. Keymaps.lua file. Let me open that in GitHub. I'm going to copy the link and I'm going to paste the link here. There you'll find the most up. What key map is it? Alt X. Much to leave it there, you know. No, it's too long to leave an example there. No, I'm not gonna add all of this there. Too much. I modified the key map after I created the video. I made it a little bit smarter. But no. This key map. The most up-to-date version of the key map. As of February 11th. Here today, so you can have a better idea. For this key map is quite long. file. Also,
This is the way that I have it. Just show the hour and minutes. But if you only want to have the date without the time, or if you want to include seconds here as well, you can do that. And this is the heading that gets created where all the tasks are moved to. So these are the 3 things that you can modify from this key map. And if we scroll down here, you're just going to find the code with comments of what this key map does. So just basically copy and paste that. Let's move on to
starts here.
move on to the next key map. I'm just going to search here for M, which is Alt-L. And here it is, create task or checkbox. This
All right, this one, I can leave it in there.
This is way smaller. Notice that you can run this key map from normal, visual, or insert mode. Let me open this file in Neovim so you can see how Neovim works. I have a key map for that as well. Now let me search for the next key map. So I'm just going to hit search here, and I'm just going to type leader TT. That's the next one. Just going to hit enter
Leader
here.
TT.
Here's the key map. This is what iterates through the incomplete tasks.
I used telescope when I recorded this video, but I recently switched over. By Folky. In the video, I show demo the maps. Here's the code for leader T. Do I have that there still? Okay. Don't use this one anymore, but I'm just going to copy it. Paste it here.
In telescope. Notice that I'm using the get Ivy theme. I'm just repping for a string, as you can see here on the left-hand side. This is the title of the prompt. This is what I'm searching. It has to start with this, and it needs to have this pattern. This is what I'm searching for, and I'm just searching in the current working directory, and I'm starting in normal mode. Here you can specify the size of the preview. So if I jump back to my Obsidian nodes, hyper-tu, that's the key map that I have, leader TT, that's all that you see here. The prompt, the size of the preview, the type of preview, which is Ivy, and it's automatically searching for that pattern. So let's go back to Neovim. The next key map, you can see it here at the bottom, leader TC. If I scroll down here a little bit, you're gonna notice that it's basically the same thing, but I'm just searching for a different pattern. I'm just searching for this, done. So that's how I find all of the tasks that are done. The nice thing about Neovim is that it's highly configurable. So if you don't like the way that I do things, you can grab these key maps, modify them to your liking.
Which one is it? This one. I am moving from telescopes to snacks bigger. I explained all of this in this video. Why I am moving, which is this one. 6M0, yep.
To your liking. You don't have to depend on someone else creating and maintaining a plugin.
Or the leader TC. Oh, hold on. What? Leader TC. Here's the code below. Leader TC. I don't use this one anymore as well. But I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to comment it again. Here's the code below. Here we go.
Plugin, you can just do things yourself and however you want. If you don't know what Neovim is, it's just a Neovim GUI, is the app that you see on the screen right now. I created a video about Neovim. It has a lot of use cases. It's not just something aesthetic. If you want to learn more about Neovim, how I use it, and what it's useful for, go and check this video out. All right, so let me jump back to Ghosty. I'm just going to jump back to my Obsidian nodes. Just going to quit out of here. And I already showed you about the configuration part. If you have any improvements, if you have any suggestions on the key maps, if you have new ideas, please let me know down in the comments so that me and others can learn and get some inspiration out of your comments. So just please make sure that you leave them down below. There's a very popular question in my Neovim video, and something that a lot of people have asked about is implement in Neovim, or whatever that is. To implement, it's a very common question in our video. I can way that I did in Obsidian back in the day. So if I can quickly jump, and the quality is not the best, one of my first videos, but still, I think I did cover it, and you're still going to find covering this video if you have suggestions in there. It's just 2 minutes long, so go and check it out. Okay, so I think I did cover everything that I needed to cover in this video. If you have suggestions, if you have ideas, if you have questions,
now, let's just make sure that this is looking good. It auto-saved. Now let's switch to the browser. Where is it? Here it is. Let's just refresh. Let's just come here. This is not the live site yet. Remember that this is my local version. Prerequisites. Okay, I'm going to leave the same one because if you want to try this out, right? Let's say that you want to try this out and you don't want to install everything, because it would take you a lot of time, you can install my config directly, right? I'm just gonna paste that there. Notice that it's explained how you can get my config. Pretty simple. You just need to run what you see in here and then run it with this command. You can also create an alias if you want to run it easily, right? So let's go back to the blog post. Let's refresh. The prerequisites are there. This Discord is fine. Social media, all the links. If you want to support me, you can get a 14-day trial with 1Password. I have an affiliate link, so you can test that out and see if you like the password manager or not. I don't know if someone is listening to this or not, but I'm just sharing it out there. How I manage tasks. Okay, that's good. Manage tasks in Neovim. All right, that's looking good. I mark tasks as done. How I untoggle tasks. Alt X. List pending tasks. Later TT. Completed tasks. Completed tasks. Later TC. Why it switched from Obsidian to Neovim. Created tasks. Alt L. Yep. See if this works. Configure key maps. Alt X to toggle tasks. My .files. Did I leave a link to my .files? Yep. .files are there. You know what? .files. Key map. The configuration for this key map is quite long, so go and get it directly from my .files. Okay. Just refresh from my .files while you're there. Star them. Create a tasks. Your TT and TC to list incomplete. Oh, incomplete and incomplete. That's not right. Incomplete. Incomplete and completed tasks. I think that looks better. Complete and complete tasks. Here are the two key maps for telescope. Later TC, later TT. Why I moved away to snacks is there. And this is looking good. Let's push the changes then. Here are the images that I added. What is this binary file? Where did this binary file come from? What the fuck are you doing here, man? And where did you come from? I'm not gonna fucking push you there. Let's get rid of you and let's see what happens. Now what? You broke this thing. Okay. We go discard. I don't want you there, man. What are you doing there? What are you doing there? Let's try it again. Gonna quit Neovim. Tasks. Neovim tasks. No. No. key map. Do I have any other misspelled words? Through. Yep. All right, let's push this then. Neovim tasks. And let's push the images that I added as well. All of them except for this. And Neovim initial commit. Let's push this. Blog, let's go there. Let's make sure. It's gonna close this. Gonna close this as well, and this. Now let's just give it a moment for it to build. Let's see if we have any comments in Discord. AI and Neovim. Reddit arguments. Yeah, I agree on this. Your whole code base via some RAG system and not rely on either you needing to manually suggest individual files or open buffers to gather more info than just the exact file that you are editing. Yeah, I completely agree with this question that HackerWare posted there. AI is all over the place in Neovim. I used Copilot for a while, right? Let me see if this went through. It did. All right. Let's see. This is the live site, and it's working fine. And it's up there. So the blog post for this video is done. I'm going to mark this as done. Where was I here? Let me show you something. If I jump here, right, and I press Alt O, it's gonna open Copilot. Because I selected that text. That was the last thing that I selected. So it's just going to, I can ask it questions about that selected text. Hold on. So this is the way that I use Copilot at times, but to be honest with you, I rarely use it because it's just not that great. What I normally do, I have to do the manual process of copying the code that I needed to review, or yeah, basically copy the whole thing from here, paste it in ChatGPT directly, play around with it, copy it from ChatGPT back to Neovim. It's a very manual and tedious process, but it's what has worked the best. What has worked the best for me so far. But we'll see. I'll respond to this later. I'm just gonna mark it as unread because I need to drop, and we'll take a look at that later. I'll respond to that later. But good question, going to take a look. All right, so I covered what I needed to cover. Thanks, everyone. I'm not sure if there's someone listening or not. I'm going to end the stream for now, and I'll see you probably tomorrow or whenever I stream again. Bye-bye.